In this video, I'm going to be solving 5 SAT hard difficulty math questions. So let's get started. The function f is defined by the given equation. This is the given equation. F of x equals 9 into 4 power x. If g of x equals to f of x plus 2, which of the following equations define the function g? Alright, so it's a really simple question. So they gave us that f of x equals 9 into 4 power x. Alright, so g of x equals to f of x plus 2. So what is basically this? This is the value of x, so we need to substitute it. All right, so f of x plus 2 equals to 9 4, and we need to substitute x by this value, x plus 2. All right, and they told us that f of x plus 2 equals g of x, so we can just write this g of x equals to, and simplifying this, let's break down their powers. Okay, so basically this thing means 9 into 4 power x into 4 power 2. Why? Because when two constants multiply, their powers are added. So this becomes 4 4 are 16, and 16 into 9 becomes 144. 144 and 4 power x. So our answer here will be B. Next question. Alright, the given equation relates the variables x and y. For what value of x does the value of y reach its minimum? So this is a really easy question. Use Desmos for this. Just go open Desmos and plug in this equation there, and we'll find the minimum value of x. Alright, so what was the equation? Y equals to x square minus 14x. Y equals to x square minus 14x plus 22. And here we got it. So they told us that x, does the value of y reach its minimum? All right, so value of y here, we have minus 27, it reaches its minimum. And what is the value of x there? It is 7. All right, so our answer here will be 7. It was this simple, and it's the hardest difficulty question. All right, next question. The function f is defined by f of x equals to minus 8 into 2 x power x plus 22. What is the y-intercept of the graph of y equals to fx in the xy plane? Alright, so again, we need to use Desmos for this. So we'll just add this in our Desmos. Y equals to minus 8 into 2. So it's minus 8 into 2 power x and plus 22. And we've got a graph here. Wait, I think there's something wrong. Y equals minus 8 2 power x plus 22. Alright, so wait. Alright, so this is correct. So let me find that what they told us, that what is the y-intercept of the graph of y equal fx in the xy plane. So it's really simple. So the y-intercept is 14. So our answer here is 0 14. Next question. Alright. The given function f models the number of coupons a company sent to their customers at the end of each year. All right, so this is the number of coupons, total coupons, where t represents the number of years since the end of 1998. So this is t. All right, and t is greater than equals to 0 and smaller than equals to 5. Pretty fair. If y equals to f of t is graphed in a ty plane, which of the following is the best interpretation of the y-intercept of the graph in this context? Okay, so basically what will the y-intercept be? At y-intercept, value of t will be 0, and when value of t is 0, 0.65 becomes 1, and 1 into 8000 becomes 8000. All right, so the minimum estimated number of coupons, no, it's not related to the minimum number, it's related to the number of coupons, total number of coupons. The estimated number of coupons the company sent to the customers at the end of 1998 was 1428. This is wrong because it's not 1428, it's 8000. So this is wrong, and D is the correct answer. All right, next question. So the solution to the given system of equation is x, y. What is the value of x? So we can easily put these two equations in Desmos and solve this. However, I'm going to show you the other method of solving this using substitution method. So what we'll do is that y equals to 7. When 7 will go there, it will subtract from 7, and 7 minus 7 equals 0. Y equals to minus x square this we have equation 1, and equation 2 is we'll take y to that side, y equals to 20x plus 100, and this is our equation 2. All right, so we'll just put them in front of each other. Minus x square equals to 20x plus 100, and this becomes x square plus 20x plus 100. And putting this inside of our calculator, this gives us minus 10. So our answer here is minus 10. Next question. All right, what is the sum of the solutions to the given equation? All right, what is the sum of the solutions to the given equation? So we just need to break this down. We can do this mod 5 3 1 minus 40 and minus 10, and it gives us 40.24, and it gives us 0.24. So minus 0.24. So the sum of these two equals to 40. So our answer is D.